ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಪತ್ರಕರ್ತರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿಸೋದು ತಪ್ಪದಲ್ಲ. ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಹಂಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ
A tree plantation drive on Chedri Road reportedly rushed to impress Chief Minister Siddaramaiah turned violent. Forest officer Dastagiri and 7 to 8 staff allegedly attacked Ravi Bhusande, a 34-year-old reporter for Bidar Shakti Kannada Daily. The drive, ordered by District In-Charge Minister Ishwar Khandre, coincided with Siddaramaiah's upcoming visit to launch Rs 2,025 crore in development projects. While filming, Ravi endured verbal abuse, physical assault, and was dragged into a private vehicle. His phone was smashed, 1,500 rupees stolen, and threats were issued. Despite identifying as a journalist, the assault persisted, according to Salar English. Bidar's Deputy Conservator of Forest, Rathee Murugesan, claimed Bhusande was intoxicated and used foul language. A case is filed under the SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Act and BNS 2023 for assault, kidnapping and intimidation. The Karnataka Working Journalists Association plans protest on April 17, while Chittaguppa Taluk Journalist Association Naveen Ganji demands the suspension of all involved.